Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. And on today's episode of Zynga Poker, I'm gonna show you how to remove your friend in the game. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, open up your game, and once you're on the main menu of the game, just access your friend list. Your friend list should be located in the bottom right section of the game. Just go ahead and tap on your friends icon. Here you can see the list of people that are your friends in the game. So just go ahead and tap on the friend that you want to remove. Below your friend's name, you can see a friend icon. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now the game will ask you if you want to remove this friend or not. So if you want to remove this friend, just tap on the green button that says yes. And just like that, you have removed a friend from the game. So that's it for today's video guys. If you have any questions, leave your queries down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.